Happy Saturday, y'all. On today's Saucy Saturday, how about I show you how I make my Thousand Island dressing? It's not just for Reubens anymore. You can eat it on anything. It's so yummy. Let's begin. Oh yeah, no animals, no oil, no nothing but yumminess. Now let's begin. How about today? Plant-based foodies on. Let's begin. Okay, so to begin with, on this Saucy Saturday, for Thousand Island dressing. I know it's not one that a lot of people think of as their favorite dressing, but it is a good one, and we make like Reubens with it. We take, what did we make that Reuben out of? Oh, tempeh. Was it tempeh? Anyway, we made Reuben sandwiches. I'll make a video of that later. So we made Thousand Island dressings for that, and I like Thousand Island dressing just as like a dip with vegetables and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. So you're gonna take 1/3 of a cup of cashews that have been soaked, boiled, things like that. And then you're gonna take just a 1/2 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in the blender. That's it. And you're just gonna blend it. You're kind of making a cashew cream out of it, sort of. Doesn't take long. Ooh. You wanna scrape down the sides. You get it smooth. You know, the longer you soak your cashews, boil them, the smoother it'll be, and the longer you blend it, the smoother it'll be. So now, this is probably the easiest dressing we make, y'all. So take that and put it in a bowl. And this is really smooth. It actually came out really smooth. I'm proud of it. Well, me, I don't like to waste anything. I like to scrape down the sides. It's just like a cashew cream that we make for 1,000 other different things. Save that for the kitchen help to clean later. And to that, you're gonna add, this is just store-bought ketchup. Sometimes we make our own, sometimes we buy it, whatever. This is 1/3 of a cup of ketchup. Make sure most ketchup's vegan, but we always try to find the ones that are oil-free. As less processed as possible, because that's our big thing, the processed stuff. So this is a teaspoon of onion powder and 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. If you don't have smoked paprika, get some because it's amazing. But you could use regular paprika if you didn't have the smoked. Now this part is kind of your own preference. You could take a couple of dill pickles and chop them up and then add like 1/4 of a cup of dill pickle juice. We rarely have just dill pickles in our house. We're kind of a sweet, spicy pickle people. Kind of fun to say. Sweet, spicy pickle people. Sorry. But we do tend to have relish, dill relish, and sweet relish. So this is about 1/4 of a cup of just the dill relish with the juice. So if you want to chop some pickles, chop some pickles. If you want to use relish, use the relish. But if you do chop the pickles, you're going to have to get some of that juice out of your jar too. And that's it, y'all. You just give that a good old mix in the bowl. And there is your quick, would be much quicker if I didn't crack myself up while talking so much. Thousand Island dressing. You could totally eat this on a salad. You can eat it with some bell pepper strips. Yummy, 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 yummy. Cucumbers. Crackers. I just like to dip crackers in it like a dip. There you have it. Thousand Island, and it didn't take 1,000 ingredients in 1,000 minutes. That's it. So, be blessed. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing, and I really love that so many of y'all are starting to tell me that y'all are trying these recipes and that you love them, and it just really blesses me that y'all are trusting me. Okay, that's it. Thanks.